everyone, I'm Abby Andrew and welcome back to the René of Paris channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going over how to install a wig. And the biggest secret that I have to share with you today is that you don't actually have to install a wig with any special tools, especially with our wig caps. They're designed to fit comfortably, securely, and snugly on your head so that they'll feel secure throughout the day without any other things like wig glue or wig tape. So I'm going to be showing you how to do this using this wig that I'm wearing right now, which is Amore in the color Peach Gold. So all of our wig caps are adjustable. So the first thing you're going to want to do is look at the adjustments on the back of the nape of the neck. I'll turn the wig cap inside out so you can see a bit better. As you can see on this particular wig cap, there are adjustable straps, kind of like a tank top strap. So you want to make sure that it's fit to your head size. And you can kind of just put it on and feel what feels right for you. So if you want to tighten it, all you have to do is hold that piece of plastic and just pull that a little bit more tightly. This wig does have a lace front and lace part, so once I have it on, I will show you that close up. And again, you don't need any sort of wig glue or wig tape to hold down that lace. It is designed to fit perfectly on your head so that it looks natural without any sort of adjustments. Now, it's up to you whether you want to wear a wig cap or not. As someone with alopecia and I don't have any hair to put under a wig cap, I choose to just wear them without any wig cap because that's what's comfortable for me. However, whether you have hair or not, you can also choose to wear a wig cap. There are two different kinds of wig caps that we offer. We have our nylon wig cap, and we also have a fishnet style wig cap. So it really is just up to you and what's comfortable. However, today I'm just going to be showing you how I put it directly on my head. So to put on your wig, just grab the wig by the temples of the wig cap, where it's going to fall on your temples. So you want to hold it on either side of that front part here. Then you're just going to place that on your forehead where you want the wig to fall. Make sure none of the hair is getting tucked under the wig cap. You can hold it there. You can use one hand to hold it on your forehead, and then use the other hand to just pull back the rest of the wig cap onto your head. You should feel the ear tabs right on either side of your head, just perfectly in the front of your ear space, and it should feel comfortable. Your ears should not be under the wig cap. If the ear tabs are placed properly, you should be able to comfortably put the hair behind your ear and have it look natural. As for the lace front, you don't need any sort of glue to hold down the lace on our wigs. The lace comes pre-trimmed and it should fit properly on your head without any sort of adhesive. So as you can see, it looks very natural without having done anything to it. Because this is a lace front and a lace part, the lace is on the front of the hair and then also extends back to the part, so you have a very natural looking part. And that lace is just so invisible on the skin, so it looks extremely natural. So installing your wig can be as simple as that. As long as you have a wig cap that fits nicely on your head and is comfortable for you, then all you have to do is just pretty much pop it right on. And once you get used to trying it out a few times, putting them on a few times, it should just be as easy as doing this. And again, just always make sure those ear tabs are adjusted in the right space. And pretty soon, if you're new to wigs, you'll be able to put on your wig just as quickly. With your lace front, you also just want to make sure that there is no hair sticking under the lace and being pushed flat. So you can kind of just run your finger underneath it to make sure there's no hair being pressed down or tucked under. If your wig fits properly, you shouldn't have to worry about it coming off, even in the wind, even if you're doing a lot of movements. The wig should feel secure without any sort of additional tape or glue. So just to show you some examples, here are some activities that I feel comfortable doing in my wig. I definitely recommend that you test this out in the comfort of your own home before risking it out in public. However, I would definitely do these at your own discretion. But these are the things that I feel comfortable doing with my wigs on without any additional adhesive. Helpful to you all. Leave a comment below if you got anything out of this video. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit subscribe on our channel for more wig tips and tutorials. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.